In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Google Chrome keeps logging me out on your browser and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So what you need to do is you have to go over here in Google Chrome. So we have to try a few things. The first one is all about make sure that you're not on incognito mode. If you don't know what is an incognito mode, if you go over here to the three dot menu and click on new incognito mode, this is actually a web browser where on a Google Chrome itself, where no kind of your browsing history, cookies and site data and all those things will be saved. So it will be completely in incognito. So no one will be able to get to your history and such things. So what you need to do is you have to close this if you're on the incognito mode. Once you exit the incognito mode, what you need to do is you have to click on the three dot menu, navigate to the extensions and click on the manage extension. So if any kind of extension is turned on, that is the reason. So what we need to do is we have to turn off this and you have to check. This is the first and foremost step. And also parallelly, you can go to the address bar over here. And what you need to do is you have to remove everything. Go over here, type here for Chrome and you have to go to this one and you have to type over here like this. And instead of this, you just need to remove this. And what you need to do is you just need to type settings, then go for slash and go for cookies over here. And you just need to press enter. So that's going to take you to this. And from here, you have to put a check on allow third-party cookies over here. And once you set this up, you have to check and also parallelly go to you and Google. From here, make sure that you sync on your computer as it is, which means you have to sync with your computer. I mean, the Google Chrome, you can check with that. And also parallelly, what you need to do is you have to put a check on about Chrome and also make sure the Chrome is up to date. That is very, very important. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix this. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye-bye.